Today we are going to talk about the rise of the creator economy. In latest years, we have witnessed an outstanding shift in how individuals create and consume content. Market size of creator economy is over $104 billion. The upward push of the writer economy has given start to a brand new generation of unbiased creators who are reshaping industries. In this blog, we will discover the key components of the author's financial system and speak about how these creators are converting the game. Let us first understand what is creator economy. The creator financial system refers back to the environment of unbiased creators who produce and distribute their content material immediately to their target audience. Bypassing conventional gatekeepers along with record labels, publishers, and studios, these creators leverage digital platforms and technology to monetize their skills, knowledge, and creativity. The creator economic system encompasses diverse content material creators, including YouTubers, podcasters, bloggers, Twitch streamers, social media influencers, and more. The writer's financial system has given an upward thrust to a new era of unbiased creators who are challenging conventional notions of work and entrepreneurship, expanding market size. The writer's economic system is projected to attain a price of $608 billion by way of 2025, demonstrating its fast boom and potential. According to a record by Patreon, the range of energetic creators on their platform doubled from 2019 to 2020, reaching over 200,000 creators. Diversification of income streams. Creators are leveraging diverse revenue streams beyond traditional advertising. For instance, backed content material, logo partnerships, product income, crowdfunding, and subscriptions are popular avenues for producing profits. Patreon, a club platform, has facilitated over $2 billion in income for creators since its inception, showcasing the developing importance of direct support from fans. Influence and community building. Creators have gathered substantial followings and built communities around their content material. For instance, MrBeast, a distinguished YouTuber, has garnered over 79 million subscribers through growing viral demanding situations and philanthropic endeavors. TikTok, a famous quick-form video platform, has propelled everyday people to single-day stardom, with creators like Addison Rae gathering tens of millions of fans and turning into influential figures in popular culture. Democratization of creativity and entrepreneurship. The writer economy has democratized the capability to create and distribute content material, permitting people from diverse backgrounds to exhibit their skills and construct a hit career. Platforms like YouTube, Twitch, and Instagram offer accessible avenues for creators to promotion their paintings and connect to worldwide audiences, niche communities, and micro-influencers. The creator financial system has facilitated the upward thrust of niche groups and micro-influencers who cater to particular pursuits. These creators regularly own deep expertise in their target market and may cultivate dedicated groups around their niche content. Beauty influencer Huda Kattan, for instance, constructed a worldwide logo, Huda Beauty, by leveraging her understanding and connecting with beauty enthusiasts via social media. New challenges and opportunities. While the upward thrust of the author economy has brought numerous possibilities for independent creators, it is not without its demanding situations. As greater people input the space, the opposition has intensified, making it more difficult to stand out. Creators should constantly innovate, produce high-quality content, and interact with their target market to remain applicable. Additionally, reliance on virtual systems also can pose dangers. Algorithm changes, demonetization, and content material moderation regulations can affect creators' visibility and revenue streams overnight. Creators want to diversify their income streams and build a sturdy private brand to mitigate those risks. Let us see the conclusion. The upward push of the author's economic system has converted the manner we create, consume, and engage with content. Independent creators have shattered traditional barriers, permitting individuals to pursue their passions and construct thriving careers. Thank you for watching this video. Visit MBA GD Topics for more. Let us know about your thoughts in the comments section and also like, share and subscribe the channel for more.